Okay, so we are on bus to Ohio State University. We are having a nice time. We should be there in a couple, like 10 minutes probably. We've been on the bus for about 2 hours almost. Yeah, probably like 2 hours at this point. And yeah, I'll get back to you when we get there. Oh, and okay, we're back in here. Okay, so it's actually like so nice cool. Like, okay, so there's like microphones. I'm gonna show you like our view. Okay, so we're sitting and
it's like rows.
Yeah, there's like rows.
Like older, they probably already know this, but like
yeah. There's like we got this bag and they got us this really soft T-shirt. Hold this up.
It's really soft. Doesn't smell like good, but it's really soft.
And then we got this bag. They have some really nice pens. And there's like a lot of chargers. We got a lot of chargers. Some sunglasses, the stress ball, because you know we're gonna get stressed.
In college.
It's like really cool. We got this Coca-Cola frisbee. It's sunglasses. It's literally so cool. So we'll get to you after we're done with this thing. It's really, really cool.
Nice class.
It's
nice
really
college.
nice. It's literally like we're in these rollator things.
It's honestly.
It's so cool. It's like literally so cool. So we'll get back to you after. I'm sorry about my hair. It's like really bad. Bye. Okay, so it's probably been like 2 hours. I forgot to vlog. You know, that's everything. It's been over 2 hours.
Actually, no, it's been
okay, 2 hours-ish. And I forgot to vlog, so yeah, sorry. Now we're at lunch, and I have pizza. And she has pizza. And I have a Sprite that I already drank. And I had a chocolate chip cookie. Very good. And when we do our next activity, I will actually vlog it. Sorry. I'm sorry, I didn't. I forgot. Okay, so now we are on the bus home. And it wasn't a very exciting day, but it was an exciting day, but I didn't vlog a lot of it because we were in a public place and that would have been weird. So, I might do a time lapse of the entire way home. That'd be long, so I don't think I'm gonna do that. Okay, fine, I'll do a time lapse of the entire way home, and that might kill my batteries. So, well, let's do that. Okay, I'm gonna speed up the time lapse, so it's gonna be really fast. Okay, so time lapse right now. Go. Okay, so, my phone, like, tipped over and stopped, so that's all you get, sorry. Okay, well, I'm back at home. I had a great time there. It was lots of fun. Florence Nightingale, that's what it was called. I don't know if I ever told you. So sadly, I did film vertical again. You know, that's everything. So I'm sorry about that. But the back, I should probably go through my bag. That'd be a good idea. I'm gonna do that. Okay, I'm back with my bag. That might be good. So I also got a lot of papers with this, but I'm not gonna show all my papers because that'll take a long time. A lot of papers. This was all free. The college paid for it. So that was really nice. So my first thing, I showed some of these things before, but you know. So I got this Coca-Cola frisbee. It works well. They're like nice stuff too. This is a charger. So this is like a universal charger. So this is Android. This is, I don't know. Tell me if this would go to your phone. I honestly don't know what this is. And this goes to Apple, because I have Apple. So you just plug that in, and the other side goes into the wall, and it's really cool. So it's a universal adapter. I got a notebook. It's Ohio State University Wexner Medical Center. Department of Biomedical Information. Very nice. Good book. Sunglasses. Also by Coca-Cola. I'm gonna take them out. I'm not taking the sticker off. What does the sticker say? UV eye protection. Thanks. There's some specs on it, but it's okay. So the charger thing came in its bag. It's a really soft bag. Okay. So as I said, I got a lot of pens. This, like, you twist it so it's like silent. And you twist it and it comes open. This is another universal charger. I told you I have a lot of ones. So this plugs into the wall or into USB, whatever. And then there's 4 different types of phones. So one of them would connect to your phone. I don't know which one though. This is probably my favorite pen. It's a really good pen. I'm taking this off because it makes everything really dark. USB port. I'm trying to speed it up now. Almost to the end. Stress ball. Whistle. That's loud. Another pen. It's university though. Ohio State University. And this says, warning, statisticians at work, ASA. This one says, this is just statistics. So, me looking at this bag, I think that's it. So, I'll do my outro and then I'll leave.